Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a firework. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our New Year's firework, we want to start about right here on our paper, and we want to make a nice skinny oval shape. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little thin, skinny oval shape for the top of my firework. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a straight line that comes down, and then you want to do the same thing over here, just a straight line that comes down. Now, along the bottom, we're going to make a little curved line. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve down and then up. And we've kind of created a cylinder shape right here. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a little curved line. So I'm going to begin right here. We're just going to draw a little line that's going to curve here. And we also want to make a line that's going to curve right here. Now, starting up here, we're going to make a little diamond shape. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and also another one that comes down over here. Then I'm going to make one that goes down here, and one that's going to connect right here. Now, starting up here, we're going to add the wick for our firework. So to do this, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come over like this. Next, you want to make that same line. You want to have it go the exact same direction. I'm going to add a little curved line right here at the bottom, and a small little curved line right here at the top. Next, I'm just going to add a few little lines all the way across here for some little details on there. Now, right on here, I want to make it look like it's lit. So we're just going to make some little spiky, pointy lines around here that are different sizes. So you just want to kind of draw some different little pointy lines all around here like this. Now, on our little firework, I want to make a little face. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to add a circle shape for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and then I'm going to add another circle shape for an eye right over here. Inside of here, I'm going to make a little black dot for the pupil, and I'll do the same thing over here, just color it in. Over here, I'm going to make a little line that goes straight across with a nice big smiley face on here for the mouth. And a little curved line for the tongue. Now, inside of here, since this Lunar New Year is the year of the ox, I want to make the Chinese symbol for the ox. So to do that, we're just going to make a little line that's going to come down, and we're going to go back up, and I just want the top to be a little bit bigger. I'm going to make a little line that goes over, it's going to go down and come back like this. And I'm going to make another little line that goes straight across. And I'm just going to make it a little bit wider on the ends. And then right here, we're going to add a little line that's going to curve down and then up. And it's going to be a little bit wider at the top. I'm going to make sure this touches here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little firework for the Lunar New Year. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.